Hey guys, it's Dr. Chaffin. We are getting ready for our Core 1 Plus, which is our second two-day class right after Core 1. As you can see here, oh yeah, we have Saturday. Basically, our students going to come in Friday evening. Saturday and Sunday is the course, Core 1 Plus. Fantastic. We basically have 5 doctors coming in. We got 5 large cases, so they're going to be hitting Saturday running like crazy. Big full mouth case. Each doctor is going to be only doing like 12 implants on one case in the morning on Saturday. Afternoon is going to be lecture. Sunday, we got another whole slew of surgeries for all the students. And there are going to be another full arch or full mouth type of situation. Every doctor gets a case. Every doctor is going to leave with a ton more experience. We have lectures in the afternoon, both Saturday and Sunday, and surgeries in the morning. So Core 1 Plus is going to be amazing. It's going to be awesome. We're so excited to put this first course on this next weekend. So guys, take a look in the next round for Core 1 Plus. If you've taken Core 1 and you want that extra more experience to get another ton of implants and education for just 2 days under your belt, give us a ring. Sign up for your next course. Take it easy.